Today, I'll make some spaghetti with meatballs. I have 750 grams of beef mince, which should be enough for 5 to 7 servings depending on your appetite. I also have a finely chopped onion, an egg, and some salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, and basil. I put the mince into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of each seasoning, the egg and onion. I can now mix everything together by hand. Let's get rolling. And here we go. I prefer to cook my meatballs in sauce. Before I start cooking, I'll take out the chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, sugar, and red wine. Let's brown the meatballs. Once the meatballs have browned a bit, add the tomato, a tablespoon of puree, a tablespoon of sugar, a splash of red wine, and some water. Stir thoroughly and let it simmer in a low to medium heat for at least an hour. When the meatballs are almost ready, start cooking the spaghetti. I serve the spaghetti on a plate, place some meatballs on top, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, please remember to click the bell as well. I'll see you soon.